Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a different type of unboxing. As you know, I do a lot of watches, shoes, tech, but today we're going to have a look at the Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. So we had an old Dyson which was the DC44 Animal, had that for probably about 11 years, and that sort of gave way. It was time to move on. Tried to make it last as long as possible, bought a replacement battery, got 5 years out of that, but yeah, it was starting to lose its suction, done all the filter changes, done all that, but I found this one, I got quoted something like $220 to have it repaired. So then I found this one at a magnificent price. If you're in Australia, Big W have got a sale on at the moment, $399. This is at the time of recording. So yeah, and actually there's a 10% discount code that you can also use. So if you download the Honey app and incorporate into your browser, that should apply a 10% discount code. So I actually picked it up for $349 or thereabouts. And you also get the Woolies bonus points and also something like 13 packs of those cards. So yeah, it was a pretty good deal. But we'll get to the unwrapping, I guess, and unboxing. But before we get into that, if you like my content, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, really helps it out. Trying to grow it as quick as possible to get to at least 500 as quick as possible, and then 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That'll be great. And if you've got any comments or questions about this vacuum cleaner, please leave them down below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. So I've got my trusty unboxing knife here, Stanley knife, and let's see what we got here. So I've got to do this sort of one-handed, so we might just put this down. Okay, so looks like we've got a box in a box. Now hold on, what do we got here? Oh, okay, so we've got the model number. So it's in blue. So this is the model number here. So if you're interested, go to that Big W website and order this vacuum. It's really highly rated. There are some functions that are a bit of a letdown, like the trigger button. You've got to actually hold it down and all that kind of stuff. But for the money and for what it's worth, for what it does, and you know, it's a Dyson, and we got 11 years out of the old one. I think it's worth the money. So what I might do is just pause the video here and try and unwrap this, and we'll be back guys. Okay, so I had to take it out of the outer box, and now we've got a bit of tape here. So now this is the inner box, and hopefully this just pops out. Yes, bango, here we go. Oh, what have we got here? Our mission is simple: solve the problems others ignore. Oh, that's a nice little note here from Dyson. I think this slides out. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty cool. What else we got? Oh, we've got a QR code. Oh, basically the little instruction booklet, which shows you how to use it. So it comes with 2 tools. Three tools actually, and the bottom part, and the charger and the holder as well. So yeah. What else we got? We've got another book here. What's the paperwork? As Floss would say, pluck 'em and file 'em. We'll leave that there, and we'll get to the components. Okay, so here we go. Here we've got some tools here. I'll just take this out nice and neatly so we don't. Here we go here. So that's the multifunction tool. So that actually slides up, as you can see there. Then you've got the brush, and then it actually slides down. So you've got the hard, and it's got this little thing so you can vacuum your lounge or anything like that. So we've got that tool. We've also got the to get to narrow places. Got that one. Okay, that's that. And what else we got? Then we've got the extension arm. That's a beautiful colour. I love this blue colour. So as you can see there, it's got the power, so that the head is actually motorised. So that's 3 things there. The charger comes in the box, unlike some phones these days. That's the charger. This is the wall mounting bracket. So as you can see, you've got space to hold 2 tools, and then the vacuum sits in there. Some more paperwork. Dyson love their paperwork, don't they? And we've got, okay, so this would be the floor cleaner, the multi-surface floor cleaner. As you can see here, anti-tangle, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, that's a hefty one, isn't it? It's pretty hefty. And there you see the power, so that actually spins. So we'll connect it all up and I'll show you guys how it works. That's that. And I think now we get to the big boy, which is the actual vacuum. Well, that's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Oh, it's got power. Woo! Yeah, oh, that's silent. You can hear that. Listen to that. That's pretty silent, actually. That's awesome. Then we've got power adjustment right there. Oh, that trigger button's pretty sensitive. So we'll switch that to maximum. I'll come over here. Oh yeah, there's some power going on here. That's pretty cool. I'm not too sure if there's a battery indicator somewhere, but then that's what it is. There's the container which collects your garbage, and to undo the container, you've got the little button here. So then you just pop this, or push it down. Push it down, pop it up. Yeah, not too sure how that works, but I guess we'll learn as we go. So I'll pause the video and I'll connect it all up, and let's see what it looks like all connected up. Back, guys. Okay, so it's all connected up. So yeah, that's the floor cleaner, and that's what it looks like all connected up. So yeah, it's really light, easy to use. The trigger is really light, so we'll just vacuum a little bit here. Well, that's so powerful, and I don't even have it on max power. That's brilliant. Oh, I love Dyson vacuums. They're so cool. So yeah, that's that. And then what we can do is we can push this button here, detach it. So we can detach that. We'll leave this down here. And then we can attach some other tools to it to see what it looks like. So it basically turns into a little handheld vacuum. So we've got that. And you can extend that and you can vacuum up. So that's what it looks like with that. interested. It's pretty light, I have to admit. So, and very easy, everything fits in so smoothly. I'm doing this with one hand, as you can see. So look at that, bang, straight in, and then we already collected some rubbish there. As you can see, there's a bit of rubbish. And I figured out how to empty it. So this is a really good trick, because it actually took me a couple of minutes to work it out. So basically what you're supposed to do is you pull this up, and this comes up here, right? And then when you hear that click, you've seen that? That releases and opens the bottom part. And then the way you close it is that you push this down, and then you push this down, bang, shut, ready to go. So that's pretty cool, and I think they've done that so that it sort of grabs the filter, as you can see there, and anything that's stuck on the filter, it sort of slides the dust out and spits it out down the bottom, which is a great idea. So yeah. And then just I'll just show you guys how it fits onto the this little stand thing. So you've got some screws. It screws onto the wall, and so that slides in there, and that slides in there. So you can see that. So then that just hooks onto the wall like that, and your vacuum. So what happens is you get your charger, and your charging cable actually goes through the back here and it hooks up to here. So let's just have a look at that. Not too sure if I'll be able to do this with one hand, but as you can see, this is the charging cable. So basically you go into the bottom and you feed it through, and you hook it in, or you slide it in. You hook it in, it clips in. And it's a bit hard to do it with one hand, but I mean you guys get the idea. So it sits like that, and then once this is up on the wall, all you need to do is you grab the vacuum and slide it in here, and it clips in. And that's how it'll sit on the wall, basically like this. So you've got your tools up the top, the vacuum there, and that's how it will sit. So yeah, that was just a quick rundown on the Dyson V8 vacuum. I highly recommend it. If you're in Australia, it's on sale at the moment at the Big W stores. So you've got your adjustable, so you've got two power settings. This is the filter, so this filter actually comes off and you can wash it. All the filters are washable. And yeah, so that's what it looks like, all connected up. The battery power indicator, I think, is just down here. You can see the light, so it's got one light left. So as it's charging, that goes up here, you can see. So that's the battery indicator light there, which is good because at least you know how much battery you got left. It says that you get 40 minutes on the minimum setting and about 16 minutes on maximum setting of continuous vacuuming, which is pretty good. It's pretty long, especially for the suction that you get. So yeah, any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And this was just a quick unboxing and look at the Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.